Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch your baby girl. Thank you so much for the love. I do not take any for granted. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Bimisola Konjola. I'm a Lagos State based YouTuber. I create content from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing my gift for my elder brother with you guys. I got this for my elder brother. I don't know if you can see, it's a wireless mic. I got it for my brother yesterday and I thought it wise to unbox it with you guys. So if it's a video you want to watch and you want to see how it improves my audio quality, because I'll be putting it right about now, and let me know in the comment section if there's any major improvement in my audio. Without further delay, let us get right into the unboxing. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be opening it right now. So just so you can see it's two, and this for my phone, then the mic. This is the first one. Jesus, this is the second one. See guys, I've been wanting to buy this for the longest time, but each time I go on Jumia and I see the price, I'm like, I don't have this money right now. So I just went to my brother's place yesterday and I got this. So I'll be connecting this to my phone right now, because I film with my phone. I don't have money for camera yet. I film with my phone, so I'll just plug this with it and we'll be right back to compare the audio quality. So I connected it to my phone, and once it comes on, you see that green light. Can you see? So that green light shows that it is connected. So let's go on with the video. So I just take this and I put it right on my chest and I'm good to go. Okay guys, I'll be doing my intro again, so you tell me the difference between now and the previous one, shall we? Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch your baby girl. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my baby with you guys, my mic with you that you can see that I'm using already. So let me know the difference between this audio quality and the previous intro. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I just thought it's wise to unbox this beautiful gift from my elder brother with you guys. In fact, it was like, it just came to me like a good shock, because I wasn't expecting to get something like this from anybody at this time, because I was not just expecting it and I just got it. So help me thank my brother in the comment section. Help me say a word of prayer to him, because yeah, it shows that my family, it shows that my friends, in fact my family are my great supporters. They are rooting for me and I see it. If not, they are, in fact they are. So thank you so much. Until we see my next video, remain blessed, and Merry Christmas in advance.